just talking, the winds shifted yesterday. You could feel it, and then came the smoke.
Yep, the smoke was around the area yesterday. It's going to be sticking around today, it looks like, and it's going to be probably worse as we head into the weekend, unfortunately. Taking a look at the smoke model for today and tomorrow, though, you can see starting out this morning and putting that into motion that we start to see a little bit of offshore wind, and with that, it just the smoke that's laying up in the Cascades. You can look out and see it probably as we start to see the sunrise this morning. It's going to move out into Puget Sound, so we'll see that smoke haze thicken up today, and we'll see it probably as we head towards overnight tonight. It'll kind of thin out a little bit, and then tomorrow we'll actually probably see it weaken just a little bit before we get a real push of offshore winds over the weekend. In fact, gusty winds over the Cascades, easterly winds bringing more smoke out here, also fanning the flames of the fires, producing more smoke there as well. And real concerns over the weekend because our relative humidities are going to be low. Temperatures are going to be warm. We're going to be down here in the lowlands in the mid to upper 70s to near 80 degrees, which is amazing for this time of the year, but very low humidities up in the mountains and warm temperatures. So chance of fires starting is going to be high once again because everything is still bone dry. We haven't had any real significant rainfall since the first half of June. So that's 4 months of really dry weather, which is very unusual for us. We will get a little bit of relief, though, as we head towards a week from this week, and we'll talk about that in just a second. First, looking at the air quality, you can see right now the current air quality has unhealthy for sensitive groups in a couple places and quite a few areas that are going to be moderate. You see moderate air quality pretty much around most of the interior western Washington till you get up to the north. And then checking tomorrow, we're going to be looking for the air quality to be just about the same. Maybe a couple more stations fall into the moderate range. Checking our forecast then. For today, we're going to see hazy sunshine this afternoon. High temperatures today, mostly getting into the upper 60s and low to mid 70s. Same again for tomorrow. Mid 70s, mid to upper 70s Saturday, mid to upper 70s to around 80 degrees on Sunday, and probably with some bad air quality, probably an air quality advisory will go out for over the weekend. We do get some onshore winds on Monday. They'll cool us back to 70 degrees, start improving our air quality. Should have onshore winds next week, which will help to give us better air quality and keep our temperatures still above normal in the mid to upper 60s. And we're still on track as we head towards next weekend that we're probably going to see some showers moving in. Not big quantities. We might get 1/10 of an inch or so, but we need to start getting some. And then beyond that, it looks like we'll gradually work into a wetter pattern as we head towards the end of the month. But definitely a really dry and warm October so far.